Alis na kami. Paalam na. Sa Pasay. So, ang aming flight ngayon ay papuntang Korea.
Nothing for now.
Nothing for now. Maybe the chips.
Right now?
90.
Later.
Oh, the water. Yeah. Just put the chips here too. How will you put it?
Later. Just take the water.
Okay.
Okay. I'm in an airplane. You want to see the airplane?
Nice yung aming dalawa lang kami. Wala kaming katabi.
This is the inside.
Oh, the babongga. Stay right here.
Here?
Yeah. Can you put the water?
I'm coming home. That's the outside.
Meron kaming layover na around
Yeah,
12
it's
hours
nighttime
yata,
there.
ganyan. 12, 14 hours. So, lalabas tayo ng Korea. Lalabas pala tayo ng airport, sorry. Medyo malamig, oh. Ano na, 12:25 AM nga. Delayed yung aming flight ng 1 hour 30 minutes yata. Nice. More space. Haha.
Oh, it's better.
Yeah.
The two seats.
Yeah.
Maybe next time we just
Next time,
book
just choose this one.
this one.
Yung pinakalikod, yung pinakadulo.
Better.
Mas maganda. Mas maraming space, tas dalawa lang kayo, walang katabi.
Not important. We have a little space. No, I mean, all are the same. Korean Airlines, they give
You don't want
Wait, okay.
저는 여러분을 모시고 간 길이었습니다.
Okay.
저희 여러 모이 여기 대단히 감사합니다. 인천 국제공항까지 4시간, 미국으로부터 4시간 20분 정도로 예상됩니다. 비행 중에는 항공기가 갑자기 흔들릴 수 있으니
And this flight was
자리에 앉아 계신 분은 항상 좌석벨트를 매어주시고
when I booked it.
저는 여러분을 안전하게 모시기 최선을 다하겠습니다. 감사합니다. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Welcome over to Korea. This flight is bound for Incheon International Airport and our flight time is 3 hours 20 minutes.
was wasabi. The sauce for bibimbap.
Ah, this is
Yeah.
it
So,
looks like a paste.
I know. First meal. have safely landed Korea na, guys. Are you excited?
Yeah, but sleepy.
Yeah, me too. I'm
Look at the
sleepy.
screen.
Yeah. So, lalabas kami mamaya. Pero for now, ewan ko kung mag-clear muna kami immigration or maghahanap ng papahingahan. Tingnan namin kung ano ang mas okay mamaya-maya. Lalakad lang kami papunta sa may arrivals. Kapag may nahanap kaming pahingahan, baka magpahinga muna kami. Kasi maaga pa masyado para lumabas. Kaka-clear lang namin immigration, guys. Na-amaze ako dun sa computer nila dyan sa loob. Nagsasalita ng Tagalog. Sabi, pakilagay po ang pangalawang daliri sa kineme-kineme. Tapos, tumingin sa camera. Ay, gano'n.
Did he ask you any question?
No questions.
For me, he asked.
Ano?
He said, "Oh, it's a transfer." I said, "Yes, but later today." So then he didn't ask anything. Done.
We look suspicious.
You remember I told you we don't need ET what? EKTA something? KETA something?
Sabi ni Smith,
forgot.
basta meron kang Canadian visa or other,
Yeah.
hindi ko alam kung ano pang visa, pero ginamit
And if
namin
you are
just,
transferring to third country
oo.
from here, then we don't need to apply for any visa or anything. So,
Ayun. So, ang ginawa lang namin is nag-sign lang kami ng, nag-fill out lang kami ng arrival card. Yun lang, mabilis lang yun eh. Details mo lang kailangan. So now, I wanna go to the washroom. Freshen up. Para maganda sa picture-picture later.
we in Korea.
First time my dream country. One of my dream country. Tapos next is Japan. Yung mga gusto kong i-visit talaga. Finally, I'm here na sa Korea.
Excited to try the food.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Ay, nga pala guys, nung kaninang umaga or kahapon sa Pinas, nagka-diarrhea ako. Tapos para ako lalagnatan, I think nagkaroon ako ng food poisoning kasi kumain kami ng siopaw, di ba? Eh yung siopaw na na-defrost na, nasa cabinet lang nilalagay nila ate dun sa Henley. Tapos bigla sumakit yung tiyan ko kinagabihan. Kaya yun, kanina wala ako sa sa mood mag-vlog.
I go first.
Yeah, you go first. Do you have the toothpaste? Okay. Okay, go. Tingin lang kami kung meron pwedeng kainin yung mabilis lang, guys. Nakapag-sign up kami ng free transit tour doon sa kiosk ng free transit tour. Basta dyan yung sa likod nito. Saan na ba yun? Dyan. May free transit tour. So itutour nila kami sa sa palace. Ay, may hair ang pangit. Bakit ganun? Dito kami nag-book. Ayan. Free Korea Transit Tour. May entrance fee yung tag dito palace, $3 per person. So nagbayad kami ng $6.
Maybe
And
it's for one of the places they're gonna bring us.
may entrance fee. We're starting na. Ang aming tour is mag-start ng 9 a.m. Right on time. We were just walking around. And then we saw this and then I asked, can we still sign up? And then they said yes. Kasi actually we were checking it online sa Incheon Airport Kineme. Sabi fully
Let's
booked
see
na.
how cold it is. It's cold.
Yeah. Sabi fully booked na. Tapos nagtanong lang dyan kami kanina. Tapos sabi, sige pwede pa kayong mag-join. So ayan, naka-join kami. And isa to sa pinaka gusto kong i-visit talaga. Yeah. It is now -2 degrees.
Ooh,
We're... Whew.
it's cold.
Yeah. Give me the bag.
Look at the bus, the city bus.
So we're only visiting the palace today. I still wanna go to the market. I think we have enough time, right?
I wanna try the kimchi.
Yeah, me too. And street food.
The fried or barbecue? What do they make the
Yeah.
best? Barbecue or fried?
I think fried.
Korean fried chicken or something like that.
Yes.
Ooh, thank God I have this.
My God.
How about that? It's fine.
It's fine. Sabi
Because
niya,
it's long.
yeah, at first sabi niya hindi na raw siya magdadala ng ganito. Think you're gonna die.
You keep saying, next time don't bring this much clothes. Don't bring this much clothes.
Ang dami kasi.
At least we have this now.
No, I said you wanted to wear the thinner one. I think that's not gonna work. Tapos nilabas ko to sa luggage. Sabi ko, suot ka ng makapal na coat kasi malamig.
This the city bus. Look at that.
Eto, city bus. Nice.
Oh, shuttle bus.
Dito na yung aming bus.
Do you know this character?
Yeah. Baby Shark. Do you know Baby Shark? Tinatawag yung pangalan. They provide jacket. They provide coat if you don't have yours. Merong palibreng pa-jacket. Ayan.
Do you know Korea?
Yes, we
So
know
I'll
South
explain Korea briefly, maybe 20 minutes. Before that, please set your watch to local time. Now, Korean time, local time, 9:09. Sometimes 1 hour difference between Korean time and foreigners' time. It's very important. Now, 9:09. As you know, to read and write Hangul, it was called Honminjeongeum Haraban. Honminjeongeum Haraban was designated as a documentary heritage by UNESCO in 1997. Thanks to King Sejong, now we need to visit Seoul. Look on your right, Yellow Sea. Do you know Yellow Sea? No? Yellow Sea is
see.
between Korea and China. So, if you swim through this way, you can arrive at China. Maybe 2 months later, very dangerous.
Dito na kami sa aming first stop. So bright. Ito ang aming tour guide.